Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, my name is Sierra and I welcome you here to my channel where I do a little bit of everything such as lifestyle vlogs, grocery hauls, and of course, unboxing and reviews from time to time, and of course also traveling from time to time. So those traveling moments will be happening soon. So today's video is sponsored by HALARA. They were nice enough to send me over some items that I wanted to share with you. The reason why I wanted to share these with you is because HALARA woman embraces authenticity and it moves boldly through life. She basically shares her own terms, carrying a sense of joy and playfulness in her style. So the code that I am mentioning to you guys is going to get you 15% off of a full price item. The code will be linked right here all throughout the video so that you guys can see it. So whenever you guys go over to their website and you get ready to check out, be sure to use JustBeingC'Aira at your checkout and receive 15% off. So the reason why I wanted to do this video, not only because they sponsored it, but I wanted to share with you guys the items that I chose to pick out because I know a lot of other people might like this, but there's also so many other things that you guys can get on their website. I honestly was looking and wanted to just buy the whole website and get it in every different color. Oh, wait a minute, I said every color. So let me also talk to you about that, right? So I wanted to share with you guys this because of the simple fact. At HALARA, they strive to understand what works best for the HALARA woman. So they are reimagining basically athletic leisure with crowdsourced and crowd-tested designs. So on every second Sunday, they invite you to join the HALARA Circle event and the heart of their design process and get a first look and a great feel. So their latest designs for free, and also it's not just about like trying the new products, it's about shaping them. So after your experience of like, you know, seeing their products and whatever else, definitely, you know, like fill out the survey for them. Now, we're going to talk about the items, and I'm also going to show you guys what I look like in these items from head to toe. So the first piece that I have here, the first item that I have here is called Softlyzero Plush Backless Active Dress Easy Peezy Edition, right? And it is in this color here. The strap simply just crisscross in the back. One of the things that I really wanted to talk about with all of these pieces is the simple fact that there are different color options available. Like in this one here, I have the Nosegay pink, so that's what they call it. They also have other colors like fuchsia purple, peacoat, tulip purple, grass green. You just have to look at it. But anyways, this is what it looks like on me. I think that it's a really cute asset to myself, because one thing about me is like, I like to, you know, shop in different sizes. Something might not, you know, fit me in a large, or I might need an extra large. But the one thing I can say is that it's very like stretchy material. And of course, like their prices are definitely very fair. And it's like, you know, the prices are just fair enough for everyone to shop and find things that they would like. So like I said, the back is really adorable and it has that crisscross. The front has you all covered up. HALARA items are definitely versatile, so they can be styled for different reasons or, you know, different occasions, like everyday wear or work, travel, lounge, running errands, etc. The next piece that I got in my bag that I picked out was simply just this very, very cute everyday Softlyzero Airy crossover 2-in-1 side pocket cool touch mini tennis skirt that is lucid and has UPF 50+. So here it is. There's the front and the back, and then it has the shorts underneath of it to make it the skirt. Like I said, with all the options that you guys see here in today's video, you guys can see that there are plenty different colors to choose from. Each option of the items had plenty of colors for me to choose from. So if you like that, definitely be sure to use that code that is still listed here in the video for that. The next item that I got was the same as the first one. It's just in the color that is called Sun Orange. So I have another Softlyzero Plush Backless Active Dress Easy Peasy Edition dress. And this one is literally like, has shorts underneath of it, as you guys can see. And then it also crisscrosses in the back part of this one as well. Like I said, the one thing that I loved about it was the colors. I also loved like the different sizes and the fact that it tells you the sizes on the screen, right? So if you were to order a medium, it's a 8-10. If you order a large, it means you normally wear like a 12-14 and extra large for like size 16. Then of course they also have 1, 2, and 3X. So that's really great, but I really do love this outfit. I love orange, and I just love the flexibility of this outfit. Now, the next thing that I decided to get was the women's SoCinched high-waisted scrunch butt lifting tummy control side pocket shaping training UltraSculpt leggings. So I got it in the color called Aurora Orange, which I thought would be orange, but y'all, this color is amazing. So it is actually like a reddish color. So here's the front and what it looks like, but you guys will see me try it on after I kind of share the rest of it. So with this, it does have like the lifting part down here, and it does have like the little lines in the back like people wear. And the one thing also is it has a pocket. It has 2 pockets that you guys can wear these to the gym or as your everyday wear. And of course, you know, have your phone, listening to music, working out, or just enjoying yourself. But y'all, check me out in these leggings, and I'm telling you, they have really great length. The length for these are like a 7/8. So like basically it's gonna cover majority of, you know, your legs. The sizes, really great as well. They do start off in extra small, which will be like 0-2, and then small is 4-6, and like I said before, medium is 8-10. The last item that I got today for this video is just simply adjustable strap button, multiple pocket waffle casual overalls. Now, these are some really cute overalls. First of all, the buttons are adorable. I can readjust if I would like to. I do have, you know, like the 2 straps, a button up front, and also I have pockets on the sides. And it's nice and long enough for me because I am a taller person. So I'm really, really loving their items and will definitely order from them myself soon. Use the code that's here on the screen and go down to the link in my description box and get yourself some things and use that code. So thank you so much to HALARA for sponsoring this video and sending over those items for me to share with other people. And I hope that you all go and check out the website because there could be something on there for you, whether it's everyday wear, plus and curve, everyday skirts, tops, everyday leggings, everyday joggers, and more. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it so far, and also so that YouTube knows that you've enjoyed it.